how to find nearby people on Instagram. If you don't know, Instagram provides us with a feature where we can search for certain places and it will show up the stories of people nearby that place. So let's see how you can do it for yourself. First, open your Instagram and go to your search bar. From here, you can type in a place that you want to search for people around. So I've searched a place right here and go to this places tag right here. You can check accounts too, but it will just name all of these account with these names. So just go to places and to find people nearby the place, just tap on the place. From here, you can see all of these stories that are available near the place. So let's just tap on any story here. And if you tap on the story, you can see all of the stories that are from the place. You can see the people's account as well from there. You can search for any other place that you want. So just tap here to find the story and just tap on the story to view it and see who posted the story, and you can find people right here, their username. I hope this was helpful and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.